In this video, we'll take a look at a new feature that's available in Nerdio Manager version 4.2 and newer that allows you to create custom images with Trusted Launch enabled. So Trusted Launch is Microsoft's technology for really locking down and ensuring the integrity and the security of a VM. And it's been previously possible to deploy session hosts from marketplace images with the Trusted Launch feature enabled. And it is now possible to create custom images with that feature enabled. So let's jump into the Nerdio Manager desktop images page. And if we go ahead and try to create a new image from the library, we'll see that if we select an Azure image that complies with Trusted Launch requirements, for example, let's say it's going to be a Windows 11 multi-session image. So let's do Windows 11 multi-session. And we are using a shared image gallery. So the only way you can support Trusted Launch is when the image is stored in shared image gallery. So we're going to enable that and place this image in the shared image gallery. When these two conditions are true, so we're using a Gen 2 VM that supports Trusted Launch, or we're using a Gen 2 image that supports Trusted Launch, and we're using a shared image gallery, a new option came up that allows us to enable Trusted Launch on this image that will be created. You can customize it, and when it gets stored in your shared image gallery or your Azure Compute Gallery, you will see that it will have the Trusted Launch flag turned on for it. Now, once you create an image with Trusted Launch enabled, when you go to deploy a host pool, you will be able to configure on its properties page, and by going to VM deployment, you'll see that there is an option to enable Trusted Launch for the VMs created in this host pool. And you can then select whether you want to do secure boot and VTPM or both. And then if you enable these options and you select an image where Trusted Launch is enabled, even if it's a custom image, then Nerdio Manager will take care of enabling and making sure that your VMs are created with Trusted Launch. So if you open up this host pool, the way you know the Trusted Launch is enabled is you will see an indicator like this next to the VM that indicates that this VM has Trusted Launch enabled. Hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.